Hello friends, back in October I made 2 macaroni pies, one to take to a friend's pumpkin festival and one for ourselves at home, and I thought I'd film and share the process with you. This macaroni pie can double as mac and cheese if you don't cook it too long. So if you're interested, let's start cooking. Today I'm doubling the recipe, so I fill this pot with a large quantity of water. I place it over high heat and it's coming to a boil any second now. I'll add salt. You want the water a bit salty. This recipe calls for quite a lot of cheese. It is an extra cheesy macaroni pie, so stock up when it's on sale. Oops. And do not buy the one that says 2% milk if there's a whole milk version. I think my husband bought the wrong cheese. Okay, we must move on. The show must go on. So you'll need extra sharp yellow, extra sharp white cheese as well, cheddar cheese, mozzarella or mozarella cheese. And we found a white cheddar cheese. Now that the water is boiling, we'll add in the pasta shells. We're using medium shells today. I'll stir it and cook until it's fully cooked, but still firm, al dente. Should take about 8 to 10 minutes. And this is the pasta we're using today, medium shells, number 22. The pasta has been cooking for about 8 minutes. I think it's ready. It will continue to cook with the residual heat. So we'll strain it now. We'll add a little bit of butter to prevent it from sticking. This is optional. That was a 10-minute timer going off, but we only cooked it for 8 minutes. We'll mix it in. We'll start grating the white cheese, using a food processor to save time. Next, we'll continue with the rest of the cheese. And Leo is having a conniption because he loves cheese. Right? Who loves cheese? Who loves cheese? Leo loves cheese? Just a little bit. Because your sister says you're too fat. What's the matter? What's Daddy doing? He's grating cheese? Yeah, Daddy's grating cheese. You love cheese? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you love cheese? Oh, you want cheese. You can't have too much cheese. What? You like cheese? You have to eat your breakfast. Don't shout at Mommy, please. You shouting at Mommy? What? What are you saying? What? What? Yeah? What? Cheese? Cheese? Tell Mommy what you want. What do you want? Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. What? Oh, what do you want? Yeah? What? Yeah. Let me give you a piece now, okay? Just one more piece. Just one more piece. Daddy, please give him peace. He's even putting up the paw. Yeah. One piece. Yeah. Okay. He's begging his sister for cheese. He's very excited today. I highly recommend grating the cheese a day before to save time. Next, we'll pour the evaporated milk into the pot. Again, I'm doubling the recipe, so we're using 2 cans at this point. The heat is on very low at the moment. Now we're going to add half of each of the cheese, except the mozzarella. This is the white cheddar. Extra sharp yellow cheddar. And this is the Kerrygold cheddar, the good quality cheese. It's expensive, so we had to mix it up. Now we'll stir until it melts. And it's ooey and gooey and cheesy. Just a couple of seconds. Next, we'll add in the pasta. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and put the rack in the middle position. Next, we'll mix.
Jeans should have 20 in my jeans and my wallet.
Now we'll add a teaspoon of onion powder. Maybe half. Oh, he threw it all in, okay. Sprinkle. Alright, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. About a tablespoon of mustard, yellow mustard, and a tablespoon of ketchup. Now we'll mix again. And don't mix to mash it, you're just mixing to combine. You want to keep your shells whole. Bye, baby. Be safe. Next, we'll add in the evaporated milk again. Some more. And a little more because we doubled the recipe. Don't forget. Next, we'll add the mozzarella cheese. It's a special occasion macaroni pie. Extra special, extra cheesy. No noise, Leo. No noise, please. Then we'll mix until the cheese melts. Okay. Now that the cheese is melted, we'll pour it into the pan. Okay, stop. Next, we'll mix the remaining cheese together. Make sure it's evenly mixed. Next, we'll sprinkle it over the pie evenly. And the husband is doing an excellent job. Give praise when praise is due. He's a good helper. Good job. That's it. So easy. Let's repeat with the next one. And now we'll place our macaroni pie in the oven for about 30 minutes. Oh, he's still scraping up cheese there, so it'll be another minute. And Leo is still waiting for cheese. Yes, okay. If you can't wait for that to finish, just help yourself to a little bit. Yummy. So yummy. The pies have been in the oven for about 35 minutes. We'll take it out now and be very careful. You can use a napkin to soak up any excess oil at the top. Just gently. Replace it back in the oven for 10 minutes to allow the edges to brown a bit and for the cheese to melt a little more. So let's check it again. All there is to it, my sweet friends. Extra, extra cheesy and creamy. Mac and cheese or macaroni pie. Perfect for a special occasion, the holidays, or to impress your friends. Hope you give this one a try and come back and give us your feedback. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.